Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I'm going to show you guys another kit that I put together. This one is probably like the easiest out of all of them because it's basically the kit. So I'm going to probably go over this pretty quickly because I feel like I got all these in one stop shop. But I figured I would just show you guys just in case and kind of tell you guys what my plan is. So I have this Sunny Days. I have these flowers from Sunny Day. So I definitely want to use them. And I just want to use all this kit together. So I figured I would show you guys what I have and just kind of show you what I have afterwards once I'm done. Because I know I like watching these types of videos where people actually like use their stash and you can see how much you get out of it. It's just really cool to see you use the stuff up. So I have a lot from this collection and I think I'm just gonna leave it how it was. I was going to add things to it, but I think I'm just going to leave it because I really just want to use it all by itself. So I might add like a few little pieces of paper, but yes. So my plan is I went through and took all of the pages that I thought either had like tags or like cut aparts or like fussy cutting and kind of did that first. I think this is a cool tip because if you're trying to get the most out of your collection, you can use the paper as an embellishment, like cut aparts and stuff like that. So I do have this tiny one, and so I did the same for that. I just tore these off, and these are the butterflies I want to do a fussy cutting around. And then, let me see, this one, I want to cut those up, I want to cut these up. Obviously cut the tags up, and then I love this page. It's so cute, but I think I might try to fussy cut these or maybe like cut strips. Who knows? And then I have these really cute what are these called? Seashells and little, like, I just think cutting out some of these things would be so cute as an extra embellishment. And then the butterflies. So, and then that, and then this one, which I love these down here. So cute. So it really just leaves you with a lot of options to kind of work with. I could cut out these. I might still, because I think I might have another one of these pages, but I have to find it. I have to go through my stash and kind of see what I have for that. But yeah, I'm super excited to work with this. I know it's kind of not like a homemade kit. It's just basically Sunny Days kit and my plan for using this up. Because I think sometimes when you have a collection like this, it's just nice to have a couple of things and not a whole bunch of things to use up or to use. So I actually have my photos ready to go for this, and I will be making some layouts, maybe a couple cards. So if you want to see what I make, just make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below if you are currently working with Sunny Days, because I know this is a very popular collection right now, so I know a lot of people are working on it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!